अच्छा से अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है तो बेस्ट फॉर यू इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ATS फ्रेंडली रिज्यूम फॉर एवरी कंपनी इंडिविजुअल योर रिज्यूमे मीन्स अगर कहीं पे ओपनिंग्स XYZ अलग डिफरेंट है तो यू नीड टू एडिट दैट एंड सेकेंड थिंग यू नीड टू क्रिएट एक्सीलेंट पोर्टफोलियो जो कि ये दूसरी लर्निंग है आपके लिए। तीसरी चीज़ है कि डेफिनेटली अगर हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इंटरव्यू परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं यू नीड टू talk professionally, need to talk with good communication skills, so that will be good for you. Now I will start with Mr. Arbaz. Arbaz, your mock interview, are you ready for that? Arbaz?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, great. Arbaz?
I just sent you the latest with my mail ID, sir. Okay.
Latest mail ID or latest resume?
Latest resume ID.
Okay, that's great. I'm just going to see. Just first of all, before that, you can just introduce yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammed Arwaz Alam. I had a hard-working graduate and I specialize in civil engineering. Currently I'm doing a internship with Civil Gurukul, and I'm learning there at Revit architecture plus MEP. And right now I'm doing a MEP designing, and I have a various portfolio right now, and I'm working in AutoCAD. I have various prospect about that 2D dimension, 3D dimensional, and I can work on various sheets of AutoCAD detailing, designing. And if you talk about the
Yes.
their detailing, scheduling, and if you talk me about the structure part, then I will talk you about this. Then detailing of the structure, detailing, steel designing, and the scheduling content.
Okay.
And if you talk me about that MEP part, there a drafting part, and you can say that aligning the drafting MPs there mostly, and electrical. There are electrical and mechanical, and there are plumbing also. So if you talk me about the MEP particular, I will be very comfortable in drafting this whole prospect if you give me the data where you have to assign me, and I will prospect with in a good manner.
Very good, excellent. Now Arvaz, your resume is perfect. Now I just want to know, you mentioned here scan to beam. Just explain me what is scan to beam.
Yes, basically, sir, scan to beam is just a concept where if you have any existing model or anything which is in reality, if you need to assign the whole data in a 3D form in your beam project or any particular, you get a dimension by using the any laser scanner or anything related to that, and you just transfer in the cap, and you can just model it as your
Okay, great.
beam work.
Advantage of beam, Arvaz, as per your knowledge, what is the advantage of beam?
Yes. Yeah, actually, sir, beam just provide me as a platform. So where industry set, where you can say that if you're working in a 2D platform in a previous generation, so there was just a 2D draft, not specific to the, but after the beam there is a whole scope has been advanced. As you know that beam has a various platform, and right now we are working on a beam as a Revit as a tool. So as per my perspective, I can say that beam provide me a good platform where many people will come and they can do this work in a center file or anything related to that, and we can just the whole process in a very fluent way.
You mentioned here in your resume that is in AutoCAD you know isometric. What is isometric?
Sir, would you just repeat, because
yeah,
my internet was little.
Okay, no issue. I'll just repeat that. I said like in your resume you mentioned here in AutoCAD you know isometric. So what is isometric?
Yes, sir. Basically, the isometric we use in the previous gen, just like right now we are dealing with the 3D dimension, but we need to alter it in AutoCAD. So AutoCAD in isometric, we have just in a 2D dimension, we just looks like it was a 3D perspective, like our view. It gives me about how a 2-point perspective of any drawing it may be. So it can deliver me in a 2D drawing only, but it gives me a look of a 3D.
Great. Difference between section and elevations.
Okay, so section and elevation, yeah. If you ask me about the particular about elevation, so whatever the element, or you can say whatever the building you have just drawn it, if you just came in front of that part, whatever the was just for an elevation, what is the detailing of that, you can see that what is the window position and what is the from ground level, what is the height, it was an elevation part. And if you talk me about that particular section, if you ask me about that what was the detailing, if you just cut that section from any perspective, any just like any staircase, if you just cross that section, whatever the dimension and whatever the detailing you just get, you can get there. And if you any site engineer was needed what was the detailing of that part, you can just cut a section and just give to them, because it was a need to various kind of things.
Great. What is the need of a staircase? What is the
Okay.
need of a staircase?
Basically, it's a staircase we just provide to rise from ground level to any particular level. It will give me as a platform from one particular floor to the from the another floor.
Any 3 types of staircase name? Any 3 type of staircase name?
Okay. Yes, as per my knowledge, I'm recalling right now as a dogleg staircase, spiral staircase, and if you talk me about then a quarter turn staircase, and then I think 3 must be, I can recall right now.
Okay. So as per knowledge, like you have these 3 knowledge. Okay, great. Definitely, otherwise you done your AutoCAD, so you may know like building by law also, right? So what is building by law?
Yes. Okay. If you ask me about building by law, it was just a set of guidelines which will be provided by the higher authorities, where you can just set just what was the dimension of a building and what is the set you have to just setback distance, what you have to distance from back and side and front. It was generated by our locality or sorry, building bylaws, and you can just set the parameter just what was the floor to floor height, was the convenience for any person for roam from one place to another. It was just like that. What was the dimension of a particular stair, and what was the area you need to, because in area what was the comfortable space, and something like that only, sir.
Exactly. Very good. Er.Akash, why should I hire you?
Okay. If you ask me about that particular why you should hire me, because right now I'm just doing an internship, so I'm right now as a fresher, but relate to my work, and I have a very point about the BIM industry because it was the latest generation, and I can say that I can go you my whole pursuit, and I can see that whatever what my portfolio, I can see that your requirement, and you can match with my portfolio. I have a 3D skill and modeling part plus MAP modeling part plus structure detailing, and I have various knowledge about AutoCAD. And if you ask me about particular, I would like to mention that in future I will be work as a MAP engineer if you have me, and afterward within 5 years I can assure you that my career will be get great after as you hire me afterward.
Okay, that's great.
I will
Excellent.
work with you very nicely.
Excellent. Very nice. Very nice to talk with you, Mr. Er.Akash. I'll just give you feedback later, but this was excellent. Now I'll come with Dhanesh sir. Okay, Dhanesh sir. Dhanesh sir, are you audible right now?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. What's your job timing?
Sir, 9 to 8 p.m.
9 to 8 p.m. Why you want to left your current job?
So right now I'm working in a site, means I have practical knowledge. So I'm thinking that I have to draw that one. That is my interest. So I am leaving.
That's why you're trying to leave, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to switch in Beam, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is Beam?
BIM is building information modeling, in which uh, we can make 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D. There are some dimensions of BIM.
Okay.
1D means,
Yeah.
yeah, 1D, 1D is only that inspection. 2D is for 2D drawing, making 2D drawings, plan elevation section. 3D means we can model by using Revit architecture structure and MFD. And 4D, in 4D we can calculate the time, what time required to complete that project. In 5D we can calculate cost, what is the cost required for particular time. And in 6D uh, there may be facility management.
Correct. बहुत अच्छा, great. Okay, Mr. Dhaneshwar, and tell me the LODs also. What is LOD?
LOD means level of development. In this there are six types of LOD. LOD
Okay.
100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 350, LOD 400, and LOD 500. In LOD 100, uh, conceptual design is there. LOD 200 is systematic design,
Correct.
and LOD 300, I don't know, sir. LOD 350 is for documentation. LOD 400 for fabrication, and LOD 500 is for as built.
Okay. How much salary you expect? How much your salary you expect in next 5 years?
In next 5 years, I expect, as per my means,
How much you expecting in next 5 years?
as per my satisfaction, I expect.
That may be any criteria. If we want to know the criteria, because we want to hire you for long terms.
Yeah,
So
first of all, I see what is the market, means what is the market rate,
market. What is industry norms?
the
Right?
industry norm. In this way, I select.
Okay. Yeah. You can say as per industry norms. I'll go for that. Okay, great. Uh, then, sir, what are the file formats in Revit?
.rvt, sir.
What are the file formats? What is no? What are? There are different types.
There are, I think there are 4 types of file format.
Hmm.
For Revit file .rvt, for family .rfa, and for template dot and for family template .rft.
Okay, great. You have prepared that notes which I provide you for BIM interview.
No, sir, still I have to put it.
You're not prepared, na? You have, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your hobby, Mr. Dhaneshwar?
My hobby is swimming, sir, as well as going new place, meeting new friends.
Okay.
Is my hobby.
What are your strength?
My strength is I am honest person, as well as kindness. Detail means
Okay. What's your weakness?
I am detail oriented, sir.
You're detail oriented. Okay. What's your goal?
My goal is to become a BIM manager.
You want to become a You know what are the job responsibilities for being managers?
Yes, sir.
What are?
We have to handle all these things: architecture, structure, MEP, as well as coordinating work. All these things we have to handle.
Okay. Uh, what is FSI, Dhanesh sir?
FSI is full floor surface index.
Okay.
It is calculated by total plot area, building area divided by total plot area.
Total building area by total plot area.
Yeah,
Means total construction area by divided by na?
yeah.
And what is FAR?
FAR floor area ratio.
How to
It is
calculate?
calculated by particular one floor area divided by total floor area.
Okay. And why should I hire you, Dhanesh sir?
Sir, right now I am working site, means I have practical knowledge, and I am getting uh, uh, this AutoCAD, Revit, means I have both knowledge. That's why I think you should hire.
You have your own portfolio, you have?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, great. Uh, what is portfolio?
Portfolio is representation of what type of models we are creating, how,
Great.
what is the knowledge in Revit, architecture, Revit structure, that the portfolio shows.
Okay, great. Okay, good, Dhanesh sir. But you need to improve the fixed questions answers, right?
Yes.
So try to make the notes, and I'll just give feedback later. Wait for your time, okay?
Okay.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
okay, great. Manisha, and then Anish.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Manisha. Manisha, are you going for college also today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, at what time?
Actually, so my lecture is at 8:30, but I can go a little bit late.
What is the role of college in your career?
Role of college, sir.
Yeah.
So for me, college is a chance for me to live my life again and give me opportunities which I have missed in my past, and uh, to give me future opportunities, sir.
Give you other future opportunities. Okay. What are the ethics you are going to learn from your college and apply in our job?
Okay, thank you for the question, sir. So first thing is consistency. If we want to learn something, we should go to college on daily basis and on
Great.
time. Uh, and after that, I will say knowledge, of course. Whatever I will learn in my MTech course, with the help of that, I can broaden my knowledge area, and I can use that for my career also, sir.
Great. Yes, and presentation skills also you're going to learn there. Okay, how to
Yes, sir, yes,
present,
sir.
right?
Communication and presentation also.
Exactly. Good. And third thing, say how can we communicate with each another? So that also you learn from a college. Now, like you, in your last semester, what are the subjects? Just tell me the subject's name.
Okay. One was the theory of plates and shells. Then plastic analysis was there. Mechanics of composite materials, and one was for my minor project, and one was just activities, sir.
Activity.
Lab and activities.
Lab and activities. Okay. Any test you done in your college? Any structures test?
No, sir, no.
Okay, no, any test is not there. Okay. Okay, great. Now, Manisha, you are in BIM. So tell me again, what is BIM?
So BIM is a building information modeling in which we can do. It is actually a 3D model based process in which engineers can create and manage all the informations related to design, and uh, with the help of BIM we can uh, find problems which we will face after. We can correct them in the uh, even before doing actual work, sir.
Okay. What is the use of secondary beams?
Secondary beams, sir.
Yeah.
Secondary beams are used for to support primary beams.
To support primary beams.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the use of territory beams?
Territory beams. I couldn't recall, sir, right now.
Okay, no issue. What is floating column? You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Floating column is a column which is available in between any floors, but it is not connected up to the footing, sir.
Okay, great. And what is neck column? NECK, neck.
Neck column is a column which is above footing and below plinth level.
Okay, below the footings levels, right? Great.
Yes, sir.
And what is strut column?
Short column, sir.
Yeah, strut column.
Sorry. Right now, I couldn't recall
Strut
it, sir.
column and floating column both are same.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Beam is a compressive member or tensile member? Beam
Sir,
is a
beam is a compression member.
compressive member. There is no capacity for varying the tensions.
Yes, it has, but it transfers its tensile forces to columns, sir.
Means it has
I
tensile
got
motion.
I got little bit confused, sir.
Yeah, so beam is a both tensile
Yes, sir.
and compressive. Okay.
Tensile. Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's called flexural members. Okay. What is column?
Column is a vertical member which carries load from beam and transfer to footing, sir.
Okay. Which IS code we use for dead load?
IS 875 part 2.
And live
Oh,
load?
part 2.
Part
Part
1?
1, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Part 1. Part 1.
And live load?
Live load for IS 875 part 2.
Seismic load?
Part 3.
Seismic load part 3?
No. No, sir. No, sir. No, it's not part 3.
Because if you mention here your masters, so they can ask the
Yes.
tough questions, right?
Yes, sir.
So you may be prepare the IS 1.
Seismic load, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can.
IS 1893 2016.
Okay, great. And for ductile detailings?
199 0. I couldn't recall the number.
13920. Okay.
13920.
Manisha, what's your hobby?
So my hobby is cooking, reading, and spending time with my family.
Okay, last time which book you read?
Sir, nowadays I don't have a time to read books, so I have developed a new habit that to listen the audiobooks by using app. So currently I have listened book named Ikigai.
Correct.
So yes, sir, and
Excellent
I like
book.
that book.
Ikigai
Yes, sir.
is excellent books. How to live
Yes,
your
sir.
life.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes.
Last time which book you like listen?
Ikigai, sir.
Before that?
Before that, it was a love story, sir, Hindi.
Okay. Ikigai, who is the writer of Ikigai?
Uh, I couldn't recall, sir, right now.
Okay. Remember that. Okay. Whenever you read something, try to recall the names, because names means how much you like suppose sometimes you say na, I'm detail oriented. If
Yes,
you
sir.
say detail oriented, that means how much detail oriented you are, that is going to show. Okay. Okay, Manisha, why should I hire you?
So because I will say so because so give me one
Yeah,
second.
no, so take your time.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Um, so I will say you should hire me because I have a consistent personality, which helps me to grow little by little. And second thing is that I'm not new to this field. I already have experienced, and I also know work culture and work environment. I know how to handle the work pressure,
Very good.
and I also have skills that I can use with this job profile. And with my previous experience, I will definitely give you the positive result which you will expect from me.
Exactly, very good. Manisha, like suppose I'm going to give you offer. What's offer you want?
That means you're asking about salary
Yeah,
or
exactly.
okay. Right now, sir, I'm not expecting that much. If you are providing me with as per industrial norm, I will be okay because since last 2 year I quit my job, but still I will expect that when I left my job last from last 2 years. So I think that salary will be minimum salary if you
Okay,
provide. Otherwise, I will consider your offer also.
okay. Suppose I'm going to give you offer of 3.5 lakh. Okay,
Okay.
are you
Yes.
comfortable for that?
I I will
Suppose I'm going to
I
give
will
you an offer of 4 lakh.
okay. Sir, first thing is that I'm not going to decide the offer of job based on salary because from last few years I have learned that salary is not the only thing you should consider while accepting any job offer. So I will, if the job profile and the knowledge I will get from that job profile is sufficient, then I can also start that job profile with the salary, whatever your salary you are giving me, sir.
What job profile you expect from us?
Um, so right now I have experienced in Revit architecture, AutoCAD, and I'm going to start learning about Tekla structures. So right now I'm expecting a job profile like Revit modeler, BIM modeler,
Okay.
likewise.
Suppose I'm going to offer you B modeler. Now next question
Okay.
is what your salary expectations?
So I will say as per industrial norms.
Okay. No, I just want to numbers.
Okay. So the numbers, I will say my salary when I quit my last job was around 30,000. So I will expect 10 to 30% increase in that salary. So
Okay. Suppose I'm going to offer you 35,000. Are you comfortable for
okay.
that?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
comfortable.
And suppose I'll give you the offer of 35,000, and next month my competitor said to you कि you can join us for 40,000. What will be your step?
So actually, I had a such type of experiences in my past years also. I will not hesitate to take offer immediately because since अगर हिंदी में बताना है तो अगर मेरे थाली में खाना परोसा गया है तो मैं पहले उस पे भी फिनिश करूंगी. I will check this company. I will work with this company right now because to join this company, I also have ever put my efforts and my time. So I want to give my 100% for this company. I don't know if even if this company is giving me a little salary, but the knowledge I can gain would be more than the salary. So I will I will not think about going to other company.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Miss Manisha. And this was a nice interview.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I'll just come with Anis.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Anis, introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. Uh, First of all, wish you very happy Teachers Day,
Thank you.
and thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Anish Sheikh. Currently, I am doing internship at Unique Civil as a beam modeler or beam engineer. For in this job profile, we have to work on AutoCAD, Revit, Tekla, Navisworks, 3ds Max, and many more other softwares.
Okay, great. What is BEAM? You're doing the training intensive in BEAM, so you must know what is BEAM.
Yes, sir. Uh, BIM is a technique by which we can make intelligent 3D models, and with the help of these 3D models, we extract information for further work.
Okay. Why you want to switch your career in BEAM?
Uh, Sir, because I have good visualization skills and good modeling skill, and I have done a previous job on site, so I have come to know that I have interest in modeling, so I want to switch my career in BIM.
Okay. What is orthographic drawings, Anis?
uh, Orthograph. Hello.
Yes, yes. Orthographic. What is?
uh,
Yeah.
Sir, it is a form of parallel objections. That means we have given any top, front, or right elevation, and from that we have to make any object, 3D object.
Okay. What are the rules builders need to follow as per RERA?
Sir, there are building bylaws rules that have to follow by builders. That means setback distance as per the plot area and as per the adjacent road area, or particular floor to floor area, or firefighting equipment, or any other facility given by the led by the organization.
Okay. What is escrow account?
Screw account is the special type of account which builder have to keep in the account, and 70% of the total project cost must be keep in that account.
Okay. What is carpet area?
So carpet is the area is a net useful area after deducting walls and washrooms.
Okay. Uh, After retaining the washrooms and
Walls,
okay, means
walls and balcony.
walls and balcony. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or you can say usable area plus inner wall. Okay. Best answer.
Okay, okay.
Usable area plus. Okay, great. Anis, what is the use of crank length, crank bar?
Uh, Sir, crank bar is used to resist torsional movement, negative
Negative,
bending moment.
negative bending moment, not torsions.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, torsion different thing. Okay, what is moment? What is bending moment?
Sir, moment is the force into perpendicular distance That means it is a uh, it can provide movement, force into distance.
Okay, force into distance. Okay, what is force?
Uh, Sir, force is the uh, pressure applied at a particular point.
Okay. uh, Anis, what's your strength?
Sir, kindness is my strength.
And what are your strength?
Huh?
What are
Sorry,
your
sir.
strength?
What are, sir, kindness, keen to learn new things, empathy, uh, hardworking. These are the my
Okay,
strengths.
great. Everyone remember, when I say what is, you need to just represent one, but when I say what are, then you need to say at least two to three or more than two. Okay, what's your weakness, Anis?
Sir, cooking is my weakness.
Cooking and business?
Yes, sir.
Means you don't know how to cook.
Yes, sir.
So,
Terrible cooker.
so what you doing for that?
Sir, so currently I am not working on my weakness, but uh, in future definitely I will work on that.
After marriage?
Yes, sir. After getting my job.
No, no, after getting marriage. Okay. uh, Anis, what salary you expect for you in next 5 years?
Sir, in next 5 years, I expect salary as per industrial norms.
As per industrial norms you expect. Okay. What is GDP?
GDP is the uh, sir, GDP is gross domestic product.
Gross domestic?
But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know details that much, but
Okay. Suppose I'll just make you the education minister. Okay. So what major step you are going to take?
uh, education minister, na sir.
Yeah.
Sir, uh, if I become education minister, uh, then I've focused on practical study for the students, like more practical knowledge, more site visit, more industrial knowledge. What are the what are the requirements of uh, future uh, uh, future demands, uh, and uh, I will give more focus on uh, uh, becoming a self employed, or becoming more confident in doing uh, own things
Okay.
and many others.
Okay, means you can say कि, I'll just update the syllabus first as
Yes,
per
yes,
current scenario. I'll just change the
yes,
syllabus for in every industries. I'll just hire some experts and I'll just trying to change that.
yes,
Great,
sir.
great. And Anis, what's your goal?
Sir, I have. Sir, my goal is to grow career in BIM industry only.
Okay, great. And what's your long-term goal?
Uh, Currently, I have not set any long term goal. I have satisfied as working on BIM only.
Okay. And what's your hobby?
Sir, hobby is swimming and playing chess.
Swimming and playing chess. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Mr. Anis. This was nice talk and great
Thank you.
interview. Yeah. Now, Ashish, are you audible? Okay, great. कोई बात नहीं, आई थिंक ही इज ट्रैवलिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज वो क्या बोलते हैं ऑफिस जाता है, उसका ऑफिस का टाइम है. अरबाज ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया आज, ठीक है, एंड ही गॉट द 7.5 मार्क्स, एक्सीलेंट, ठीक है, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया। धनेश्वर तुमने परफॉर्म तो किया, बट कैसे कि तुम क्वेश्चंस को लेके सेट नहीं थे माइंड सेट के हिसाब से, मतलब पहले से प्रिपेयर नहीं थे। कैसे होता है कि एक दो क्वेश्चंस को अगर पहले से कभी मैंने अनीस से पूछा कि आप अगर एक एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बनते हो तो फिर आपका क्या स्टेप होगा, ये कैसे हो गया, इससे मैं चेक करूँगा प्रेजेंट ऑफ माइंड, कितना जल्दी ये शार्प तरीके से ये पता करके बता सकते हैं कि ये चीज़ें कर सकते हैं। इससे हमें पता चलता है कि एग्जैक्टली ये बंदा क्यों, अगर तुरंत कोई सिचुएशन मिला तो हाउ कैन ही हैंडल दैट, ठीक है। तो इस में फिलहाल लाइक जो टेक्निकल से उसमें इन्होंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। धनेश्वर ही गॉट 5 मार्क्स, ओके, एंड अनीस का भी काफ़ी अच्छा था, ही गॉट 6.5। अनीस अभी और भी आपको कई ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि टेक्निकली आप गलत जा रहे थे, जैसे कि फोर्स है, ठीक है, थोड़े आपको बेसिक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ने पड़ेंगे, और क्रैंक लेंथ है, और उसके बाद आपने बेंडिंग मोमेंट भी गलत बताया, और ये सब थोड़े इनको और अपडेट कर लोगे तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू। तो आपने 6.5 गेन किया, जो कि अच्छा स्कोर है, बट अभी टेक्निकल में आपको और काम करना पड़ेगा। मनीषा गॉट 6। मनीषा का मैं चेक कर रहा था कि कैसे ये परफॉर्म करती हैं इन टेक्निकल, बिकॉज डेफिनेटली सी हैज़ एक्सपीरियंस। तो कंपनी सोचती है कि जब एक्सपीरियंस है तो हम ज़्यादा काम देंगे तभी ज़्यादा सैलरी दे पाएंगे। कंपनी जितना ज़्यादा पैसा देगी उतना ज़्यादा काम कराएगी, फिक्स है, ठीक है। तो एट दैट टाइम सी नीड टू इम्प्रूव मोर इन टेक्निकल इन स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑल्सो, सो दैट कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन कोई पूछ ले तो सी कैन कम्युनिकेट गुड, ठीक है। तो मनीषा इस पे थोड़े से काम करो टेक्निकल पे भी, जिससे कि तुम्हारा थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल स्ट्रॉन्ग और हो जाए तो तुम्हारे लिए और अच्छा होगा। कैसे कि तुम्हारा अगर स्ट्रक्चर्स के बारे में, और साथ साथ सबसे बड़ी बात क्या होती है, अगर बीम और स्ट्रक्चर्स दोनों का ही नॉलेज है तो आपका बहुत ही अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा और बहुत ही अच्छी सैलरी ग्रोथ होगी। तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर यू कि आप इनको कर लीजिए। काफ़ी अच्छा सबने इम्प्रूव किया है, ठीक है। और मैंने एक प्रोजेक्ट दिया था, होप सबने कर लिया होगा, ठीक है। मैंने प्रोजेक्ट इसलिए दिया था कि आपका एक बार फिर से अपडेट हो जाए, ठीक है। 32 था ना, 32/75 का प्रोजेक्ट था। जिसने भी कंप्लीट नहीं किया है काइंडली कंप्लीट कर लो उसको, सो दैट कि कल हम लोग देखें तो एकदम, जिसका भी नहीं हुआ है उसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ, सो दैट कि आपको पता चले कि वो पोर्टफोलियो में ऐड हो सकता है। आपको मैंने पोर्टफोलियो का पावर बता दिया। कल एक अखलाक करके लड़का था, 11 कंपनियों में सेलेक्टेड था, मैंने पहले बता दिया, ठीक है। अनीस लेट में आए थे, और सेलेक्टेड होने का सबसे बड़ा रीज़न क्या था, उसका पोर्टफोलियो और ATS फ्रेंडली रिज्यूम, ठीक है। तो आप क्या करना, कल अपना रिज्यूम सभी लोग शेयर करना, जैसे अरबाज ने ऑलरेडी कर रखा है, रिज्यूम और पोर्टफोलियो सभी लोग शेयर करना। पोर्टफोलियो में कोशिश करना कि ये 32/72 का प्रोजेक्ट भी ऐड कर लेना, ठीक है। तो आपका अपडेट कैसे एकदम रिज्यूम एकदम फैबुलस हो जाएगा, तो उसमें जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट रहेगी हम बता देंगे, और फिर उसके बाद कुछ ओपनिंग्स पर अप्लाई करेंगे। तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि अगर इस पर्टिकुलर ओपनिंग को अप्लाई करना है तो अपनी CV में क्या चेंज करना चाहिए। आज का अरबाज का रिज्यूम बहुत अच्छा है, अब इसमें एडिट करना बड़ा आसान है, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कल कि किस तरीके से एडिट करके और अच्छे से अपने, मैं चाहता हूं कि आपके पास कम से कम 8 से 10 कंपनियों का ऑफर रहे, उसमें से आप चूज़ करो कि मुझे सेलेक्ट किस में होना है। अब इसके लिए भाई बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ये बड़ी बात है, ठीक है। व्हाट इज और नेक्स्ट सॉफ्टवेयर, नेक्स्ट सॉफ्टवेयर इज टिकला, ठीक है। अभी आपको मैं देने वाला हूँ, ठीक है। और टिकला कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है वो भी हम आपको बताएंगे। तो आपको टिकला पूरा का पूरा इंस्टॉल करना है, क्योंकि टिकला सबसे ज़्यादा मार्केट में डिमांडिंग है रेविट के बाद। तो टिकला करेंगे, देन स्केचअप ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है, तो देन गो फॉर नेविस्वर्क, ठीक है। स्केचअप कर लेंगे बीच में, उसका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता। विच वर्जन इज़ बेस्ट, हाँ जी, टिकला अगर आपको करना है इंस्टॉल तो यू कैन वी डू टुडे ओनली, क्योंकि आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा। अभी टिकला में आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि टिकला भी एक तरीके से हाई डिमांडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। तो इसके जितना मैं बता दूंगा टिकला में, क्योंकि टिकला अपना स्ट्रक्चर्स का है तो डेफिनेटली मेरी एक्सपर्टीज़ है इसमें, तो जितना मैं बता दूंगा उसके बाहर से तो नहीं पूछने वाले, ठीक है। टिकला का आपको 2020 वर्जन्स कर लेना है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर टिकला 2020, और ये करने के बाद यहाँ पर आना, तो ये वाला वर्जन है टिकला टिकला स्ट्रक्चर्स 2020, आज के आज ही कर लेना सभी लोग, अच्छा रहेगा, ठीक है। और उसके बाद यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लेना टिकला को, ठीक है। और यहाँ से डाउनलोड करने के बाद यहाँ पर दिया है हाउ टू इंस्टॉल दिस सॉफ्टवेयर, ठीक है। या तो इससे भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि ये डेफिनेटली ये तो ठीक है कर सकते हो, इससे भी अच्छा आपको बात बताता हूँ। आप क्या करो, ट्रिम्बल पर एजुकेशन अकाउंट बना लो, ठीक है। 365 डेज के लिए बेस्ट पूरा का पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर मिल जाएगा, बहुत ही अच्छा रन करता है, ठीक है। डालना टिकला एजुकेशन, क्या डालना उसका, टिकला 2022 फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे कर लेना, ये सबसे अच्छा, इसको कर लो। जिसके पास नेट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो अगर आपको अपडेटेड करना है तो इट्स गुड फॉर यू कि आप टिकला 2022 फॉर स्टूडेंट्स कर लेना। और इसको करने के बाद यहाँ पर जाके अपनी आईडी बना लेना, ठीक है, ट्रिम्बल पे। बहुत ही सिंपल है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर जाके आपको ये देखो स्टूडेंट आ गया, और आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, रजिस्टर्ड करना है, ठीक है। मतलब टिकला के लिए करना है। 365 डेज के लिए बहुत बड़ा टाइम होता है, आप सबको पता है, 1 साल बहुत होता है। उसके बाद फिर से वर्जन चेंज कर दो तो 1 साल के लिए और हो जाएगा, ठीक है। यहाँ पर करने के बाद यहाँ पर आता है एक्टिवेट लाइसेंस, और ऑटोमेटिक 1 साल के लिए ऑटोमेटिक एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा आपका। और उसके बाद डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन आएगा, यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, और फिर स्टार्ट लर्निंग, ठीक है। ये कर लेना, ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। इसमें थोड़ा सा हैंग भी करेगा, ये एकदम परफेक्ट स्मूथ चलेगा क्योंकि हैवी सॉफ्टवेयर है, ठीक है। तो फॉर स्टूडेंट वाला ही करना, यहाँ से ये करके कर देना। मैं लिंक शेयर कर दे रहा हूँ आपको। जस्ट करना है क्या, यहाँ पर जाओ, क्रिएट करना है अकाउंट आपको, ठीक है। ऑलरेडी मेरा अकाउंट है, और मैंने भी स्टूडेंट अकाउंट ही बनाया हुआ है। और क्या होता है, यहाँ पर वो अपने आप लाइसेंस एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट डाउनलोड करने का ऑप्शन आएगा, 2 टैब रहेंगे, दोनों डाउनलोड करके इंस्टॉल कर लेना। एक रहेगा फैमिली का और एक रहेगा मेन सॉफ्टवेयर, और उसके बाद स्टार्ट लर्निंग, ठीक है। इस तरीके से आप देखो मेरा अकाउंट बना हुआ है, नेक्स्ट करूँगा अपने आप को बन जाएगा, ठीक है। यही करना ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा एज़ कम्पेयर टू दिस वन। और आई थिंक 365 इज़ द बिग टाइम, ठीक है। तो 1 साल चलाया, उसके बाद अपना वर्जन चेंज कर दिया, खत्म, ठीक है। तो सभी लोग टिकला को भी इंस्टॉल कर लेना, ठीक है।
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी भाई, सब लोग।
सर मेरा वो सैलरी का जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था ना, तो उसमें आप बताइए नहीं कि मुझे क्या बताना चाहिए, क्योंकि ना मेरे दिमाग में तो फिगर ऐसे था कि मिनिमम 5 लाख या 6 लाख, लेकिन जब आपने एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन पूछा ना,
हाँ,
तो मुझे तो मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं था कि मैं बताऊँ कि नहीं ऐसे, इसलिए मैं
ओके,
बहुत कंफ्यूज हो गई थी।
ठीक है। मुझे सैलरी तुम्हारा नहीं पूछना था, मुझे एक्चुअली पूछना था, मतलब मेरा मेन क्वेश्चन क्या था मेरे माइंड में, कि हमें ये जानना था कि तुम्हें अगर कोई दूसरी कंपनी ऑफर कर दी तो व्हाट विल बी योर स्टेप, ठीक है, तुम्हारा क्या स्टेप होगा, ठीक है। तो इसकी वजह से मैं ये क्वेश्चन में तुमसे निकलवाना चाह रहा था माइंड सेट कि कितना तुम्हारा सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, गॉट इट। और रही बात की क्या बोलते हैं, तुम्हें क्या बोलना चाहिए, तो पहले तुम्हारा पहला फर्स्ट आंसर होना चाहिए कि एज आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस एंड नहीं, तुम्हें सीधे बोल दो कि एज पर इंडस्ट्री नॉर्म्स, ठीक है। डेफिनेटली कंपनी सामने वाला पूछेगा कि क्या बोलते हैं इंडस्ट्री में ये चल रहा है, और तुम्हारा तो एक्सपीरियंस है, तो ऑलरेडी जो तुम्हारा तुमसे ये पूछा जाएगा व्हाट वाज योर प्रीवियस सैलरी, ठीक है। तो मैक्स पॉसिबिलिटीज होती है कैन बी मैच दिस, ठीक है, मतलब क्या हम इसको मैच कर लें, ठीक है। तो तुम बोल सकते हो कि यस यू कैन, बट इफ़ यू गिव मी 10 to 20% हाइक इट विल बी गुड फॉर मी, बस सिंपल। पहला एज पर इंडस्ट्री नॉर्म्स, देन व्हाट्स योर सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस। तो जैसे सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बोला जाएगा तो तुरंत तुमको बोलना है, मतलब सॉरी इन नंबर्स, तो यू कैन से कि व्हाट वाज माय प्रीवियस सैलरीज, यू कैन गिव द मोर देन दैट, तो तुम बता दोगे आराम से, तुमको बोल देंगे, बस कुछ और नहीं बोलना है।
सर ऐसे कुछ चांसेस है क्या, मतलब नहीं क्या, अभी तो मेरा जो प्रीवियस पैकेज था वो मतलब कम था,
हाँ,
तो ऐसा कुछ मतलब है क्या कि ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि मैक्सिमम पैकेज मिल जाए।
ओके, ठीक है, कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए मैं तुमको अलग से बता दूंगा व्हाट कैन यू डू, ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर
ओके सर,
ये वीडियो यूट्यूब पे जाने वाला है।
ओके सर, ओके सर।
चलो, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, एंजॉय करिए और अपना अपना टिकला इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए। बोल रहे हैं अनीस की चल जाएगा क्या, ठीक है, लो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में चल जाएगा। यस, ये जो स्टूडेंट वर्जन है ये बहुत इजी है, लो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में आराम से चल जाएगा, ठीक है। ओके, अरबाज बोले सर आई ऐड स्ट्रक्चर्स एमईपी पार्ट एंड पोर्टफोलियो एंड आर्ट इज सफिशिएंट। स्ट्रक्चर्स ऐड कर दो, एमईपी ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि तुम सिविल इंजीनियर हो, ठीक है। केवल स्ट्रक्चर्स के 1-2 एलिमेंट्स ऐड कर दोगे, इट विल बी गुड, ठीक है, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एमईपी। और उसके बाद इन्होंने बोला लो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में स्टूडेंट वर्जन आराम से चलेगा। नीस 2022 का तुम स्टूडेंट वर्जन कर लो, खूब बढ़िया चल रहा है, एकदम बिना हैंग किए चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो वही करो तो बेटर रहेगा, ठीक है। हाँ, वो डेफिनेटली तुम्हारा डोमेन ही नहीं है ना, तो उसमें तुम्हें मजा भी नहीं आएगा, उसमें तुम्हें वर्क प्रोफाइल भी नहीं मिलने वाला है एमईपी पे, ठीक है। दे आर गोइंग टू गिव यू द प्रोफाइल इन टिकला स्ट्रक्चर्स, रेविट स्ट्रक्चर्स, इन रेविट आर्किटेक्चर्स, ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, कल मिलेंगे आपसे। तो कल हम लोग पहले डिस्कस करेंगे आपके पोर्टफोलियो के बारे में, तब आगे चलेंगे, क्योंकि अभी पोर्टफोलियो कैसे होगा कि अभी स्ट्रांग होता चला जाएगा, अभी टिकला के भी मॉडल जुड़ेंगे पोर्टफोलियो में। तो पहले अभी करंट में हमने क्या बना रखा है इसको देखेंगे, फिर उसके आगे चलेंगे। ठीक है, चलो।